morning. Good day, everyone. Okay, today I'm gonna teach you how you can use the Countif function in Microsoft Excel. Count it. So using this function, we can count a range with a criteria inside of it. So the parameter or arguments, you need to specify the range. So the range of cells that you want to count based on the criteria. The criteria used to determine which cells to count. So it will return the count of a certain range with the criteria. So there is an example here. You can using the count if function. You can see in a worksheet equal count if and then the range. Open parenthesis and then you need to select the range that you want to count based on the criteria. So A2 to A7, A2, A2, so until A7, so A7. And then comma, you need to put comma and then the criteria. What is the criteria? D2. So D2 is D2. So the criteria is 2000. So which means I want to count uh, numbers from a range of cells A2 to A7 with the criteria 2000. So you can see here, if we manually do it, how many count? It's 2000 here, 1. So we don't have 2000 anymore, so only 1 count. So when you see the answer, it's only 1. Okay, another example. Okay, let's move to Excel and then let's see what we can do here. In this example, you can see we have a sample student grades and I want to count score 1, score 2, and score 3 with 15, number 15 score. So I want to count how many is number 15. How many? So let's use the count if function here. So equal count if and then open parenthesis and then we need to select the range. As you can see, Excel is asking for the range. So I want to select the range using my mouse button. Hold your mouse and then select the range that you want to count. So based on the criteria. So what is the criteria? So you need to press comma and then enter the criteria that you want to. Let's say I want 15. I want a number 15 to count. So I want to count only from the range of cells only with a number 15. So how many is number 15 here? 1, 2, and 3. So when I close it, close parenthesis, and then enter, you can see he counts numbers from a range of cells with the criteria 15. Okay, next example, I want to count numbers from student number 2. I want to count uh, scores with 52. I want to count scores with 52. So here I need to select the range again. In a moment. Again, count equal, count if, and then open parenthesis. And then select the range that you want to count based on the criteria. And then comma. And then the numbers that you want to count. So the criteria is 52, close parenthesis. So how many is 52 here? 1, 2. So it should be 2. So if I enter, you can see Microsoft Excel count only numbers with the 52, which is the criteria. From a range of cells, I count numbers 52. Okay, and this is how you can use Countif function in Microsoft Excel. Okay, I want one example, another example. Count if, and then open parenthesis. I want to count only 51 from a range of cells. Okay, select it, select the range, and then comma, and then the criteria. Okay, I want only to count 51, and then close parenthesis, enter. You can see it counts only number 51. So how many? Only 1. So from the range of cells, you can count numbers based on the criteria using the count if function. Count if function. Hopefully you learned. Thank you and see you again in our next lesson. Goodbye.